Welcome to our quick tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to disable the Save and Fill Payment Info feature in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. This helps enhance your privacy by preventing the browser from storing payment details. Follow along carefully to adjust these settings in just a few simple steps. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Look for the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. From the menu options, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Payment Info section. Finally, toggle off the switch next to Save and Fill Payment Info to disable this feature. That's it. You've successfully disabled Payment Autofill in Microsoft Edge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.